go slow though. Is it clear to go after the Fiesta?
Yeah.
Gas spike, look to your right and go. Look to your right and go. Look far, look up, look far. You're not going. You're just holding that clutch. You've got to work out what you really want to do with that clutch rather than just pushing it, mate. Yeah? Okay. Well done. Is the space good enough? No, off.
No.
Use your brake, clutch back down. Now, roll, gas, bite, slowly. Off we go. Move to the right. Trust me, you need to move because then it shows this when we're going. You need to move, Harris. You're not. You're just keeping your feet still. Squeeze. Come on, let's go. Second gear in, come on. Good. Lift the clutch and off we go. Good. We're going to find somewhere to park in on the left, please, mate. Do we need to tell people?
Yeah.
Now, I'd like you to signal left, but keep going until we're past the Land Rover to then park, because then this lady behind can have a free run through. Good. Well done. That'll do you, mate. Don't get too close to the one in front. Good. Relax. Alright, so just a little point there, just on the park. Explain what I was talking about. What was I getting on about there with the park?
Letting the person go past, because if we stop there, they'd have to like stop with us when.
Good. So if there's an opportunity for you to maybe park a little further up to then allow the oncoming car past us before we park, we then allow the one behind us just to keep flowing. And it's a nice little point, thinking of other people. It's not always possible, however,
there it was.
It was there, so we're gonna do it. That was good, mate. Excellent.